Calculating the median. In this video, I'm going to look at how you can use statistical analysis to calculate the median and then draw decisions from this. Firstly, let's look at what do we mean by the term median. Well, very simply, it's the calculation of the middle value. And it's typically useful to establish what is the middle value when we've got a large data set. To help to understand this, I'm going to use the example that I've used in previous videos. So here's my example question. B produces a questionnaire and asks 10 people to answer the following question. On a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being very dissatisfied and 10 being very satisfied, how would you rate your experience of the BeeBusinessBee YouTube channel? Here is the data that B collected. Now, of course, let's use this data now to try and find our middle value. So all we need to do is we need to first sort the order of the data into numerical order. So we get our score and we clearly put it into numerical order, starting with the smallest and going through to the biggest, as you can see there. Because I've got an even number of respondents, I'm going to have to find my middle value by adding my two values together in the middle and then dividing by 2. If I had an odd number, it'd be really simple. I'd just pick that number. So let's assume I had 9 people, for example. It'd be really simple. Pick the number 5 straight away. That'd be the middle value. However, because I've got 10, as you can see there, I've had to go for 5 and 6. And I'm going to add the 7 and the 8 together. And I'm going to divide it by 2. And I get my median value of 7.5. It really is that simple to calculate the middle value or the median. So when we've done that, what does it tell us? Well, it tells us the middle value provided was going to be 7.5. And this means that the most common review from respondents was 7.5. And again, it's a wholly positive score regarding the BeeBusinessBee videos. You can use a spreadsheet package to calculate the median for you, and you can use some formulae to do this. I will produce a BeeBusinessBee video showing you how to calculate this using a spreadsheet package. However, until next time, remember, keep buzzing.